Hey everybody, it's Beauty Mama, and today we finally got my Ipsy. And it took so long, I don't know why. After complaining to Ipsy and then DHL Commerce because they're partners with Ipsy when it comes to shipping items out, and then I got upset with UPS because of them holding it in Houston. If you watched my FabFitFun video unboxing, you would understand what I was talking about. But after a whole day of just doing it, I finally got it on Saturday, and I ended up doing family things over the weekend, so I never got to upload a video. But today we are going to be doing the Ipsy video, and what is inside it. I have 5 items plus 2 add-ons that I personally purchased myself for the add-ons. And so, before I start rambling on about everything, let's get in with this. So before I open the bag, I want to talk about this new pink bag. The other one was so obnoxious, I don't even know why they had that. I get it was pink, it's Ipsy, yeah. But I love, this is like a peach, maybe a baby pink kind of Ipsy. It has just the box logo part of it, Ipsy. And, you know, nothing fancy, and on the label part it says discover yourself Ipsy. I thought that was pretty cool. I like the new bags, honestly, a lot more better than the other one. But this bag is beautiful. I love it. See how shiny it is? Betty Boop. And then you got black sequences on the back. It doesn't do anything, they're just black on black fabric. And then we got the little zipper thingy and has beef with Betty Boop. If you get the box, you know, the Glam Bag Plus and the Ultimate, you get like a black one that's sequenced all throughout the black thing, and then like the front Betty Boop logo part of it. But Ipsy Glam Bag, the Glam Bag is the only one you get something like this. I don't know why. I think they should like done differently with it. So, but yeah, I like how it's like pink and shiny. My daughter is already asking to have it, which I don't know, maybe. So I am gonna go in here, pull out the catalog, because it is stuff. I didn't see any of the, you know, extras in the back like they normally do. It seems like all my stuff fit in here, so all 7 items. It says, don't forget your choice. And then it says, today's month is Flaunt It. And it's awesome. So here are the items that I'll be getting. I don't know, can you see it? And it says, it's time to get personalized. On October 23rd, you get to choose one of your Glam Bag products, and then using our Ipsy match technology will build the rest of your bag. So every month, I'm assuming every month now, on the 23rd of each month, you get to choose one of your items, which is really cool. I prefer that over, you know, something else, because I'm pretty sure they could go off what one item you choose to the rest. So, alright, first things first, we are pulling out one of the products I actually purchased myself. And it's the Betty Boop Ipsy collaboration with a little pink. It's a lipstick, and it's in the shade Move It Baby. And this is a beautiful color. It is like a warm brown, kind of like fall color. Let me put this on. Oh yeah. I have lip gloss underneath it already, so it's ended up shining it, but it's supposed to be a matte color. I like it, it's cute. So, Move It Baby by Ipsy collaboration. This is the one I chose because I needed a lipstick. I was running out. Next thing we have in here is Hemp's Herbal Extract Triple Moisture Herbal Whip Body Cream All Day Moisturizer enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil, which I'm very sensitive. I don't even think I'm going to keep this, honestly. If I get to 100 subscribers, I will put this in a giveaway. Let's see if it's capped. Okay, so it's not capped, but I don't plan on using it at all. I'm gonna end up putting it in a giveaway, y'all. I am so sensitive, and it smells like, what does it smell like? I'm not gonna honestly use it. It smells like citrusy, like a pomegranate. This lightweight formula gets your skin hydrated and soft and doesn't feel like the least bit greasy. It's made with apple extract, which is loaded with vitamin C to give your skin a radiant glow, plus The peach and grapefruit. That's what I smell. The grapefruit scent smells so light and refreshing we can't stop sniffing it. And then, yeah, so I will put this in a giveaway if I get to 100 subscribers. So let me see if it's sensitive. It's paraben free and gluten free, 100% vegan, THC free. So there is no THC in here. Sorry for the people that want it. But yeah, no, it doesn't say if it's for sensitive skin. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway later on. If I get to 100 subscribers, I'll put that in a giveaway. Okay, so we got the crown. This is one of the items I did choose. It's a 2-in-1 dual brush. It's a crown brush CB202 Pro Chisel Plus, which is this one. And then a precision crease brush, which is this one. It's like my pencil brush I got a while back. I love how it's black and then it has like a golden rose gold color for, I don't know the name of it, but it seems like a chisel brush. So it feels like one of those where you put on the eyelids, and it's sturdy, it's stiff, but it's not so stiff, it's still soft. And then this is a really thick pencil brush that you can go underneath your eye or smudging the eyeliner, go underneath the eye to give that color you want. Okay, so this is the Betty Boop Ipsy collaboration Blink and Wink mascara. I've been wanting to give out a mascara, but I couldn't have it. Here's the Betty Boop. Oh, she's so pretty on it. Sorry. So it is a sample, but it has a good amount in here. I can feel it. So this is what the brush is. Oop. It has an hourglass effect. I like that. I like the hourglass effect. I don't really like it when it's stiff, but yeah. Just the hourglass effect. And it is pure black. And I don't think it's waterproof. I really don't. So don't quote me on that if it is or not. Nomad's Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach. And I like that. It's such a cute packaging. Kind of old fashioned. And this is a Kiss of the Sun highlighter. Smooth, blendable, and buildable powder pink highlighter with glistening pearls to create the sun-kissed look of the sexy Sydneyers. Oh my gosh. Infused with macadamia oil to help skin feel soft and moisturized. It is free paraben, phthalates, and mineral oils. That's awesome. Oh, and it comes in like its own little holder. Okay, so let's admire this black packaging. And it's so shiny, and the letters are all gold and reflective. That's pretty cool. And here's the back of it. That is pretty. Okay. Oh my god. I'm over here sweating. Okay. It has an M on it for Nomad, or in for Nomad. And I don't know why the light doesn't do it justice, but okay. I'll just put my finger in it. Oh wow. It's not that white, it is really pink actually. That is pigmented, and it even still shimmery right after. See? Ah, it's really pigmented. It picks up a lot. Let me see. Okay, no. There we go. Just putting this on the high points. I like that. Ooh, very shiny. Okay, I like that. 2 more items. And we have Betty Boop collaboration with Ipsy, and it is Drawn to You eyeliner. And this is the full-size product. So I got a full-size product in my Ipsy bag. And it is a pure black, obviously. Liquid felt tip again. And it is very awesome. That is cool. Ah, I could draw with this perfectly. That is awesome. I can't wait to try this on my eyes. Last but not least, we have Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Acne treatment. That is actually pretty cool because I was looking for a new acne cleanser. Okay, and yeah, it should be good for sensitive skin. we'll find out. I'll do like a review on this or something like that. But yeah, this is it. We got this Murad Acne Control Hemp Lotion, highlighter for Nomad, eyeliner, what was the other thing? Oh, the brush, which is all came in the Ipsy itself, which I chose this one, and then the lipstick and the mascara, which I purchased on my own. So that's a total of 7 items, and I'm excited. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video with me, seeing all the items I got and what I purchased on my own. And don't forget the giveaway. Get to 100 subscribers, I'll give away. There are gonna be more items later on in the future, because give this video a thumbs up, watch it all the way through, because it helps me with my video trending and everything and all that stuff, because it does help me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're new here, hi, I'm Beauty Mama, and I do a lot of things you can think of. Push that notification bell too, don't forget that, because you will be updated every time I post a new video. My next video will be a Halloween witch look, which it will actually consist of this. I gave it a heads up, and it's this purple look, and I'll even have like the hat and everything. I'll dress up for it, because that'll be day 3 of, or 3rd Halloween costume dress up thing. So yeah, like I said, have a great day. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.